This is the brief on how to use Wise Schema. So today we're going to walk through how to use Wise Pilot's tool to create some really powerful FAQ schema. That's the code that helps search engines understand your content and really boosts your visibility. Okay, first up, inside the tool, you'll want to select Generate New Schema. Just stick with the default FAQ option and go ahead and paste your list of questions and answers right into the text box. Simple as that. Second, you're going to see a toggle for AI content optimization. Now, make sure you leave this on. This is absolutely key. It refines your text for what's called answer engine optimization, so AI models actually understand what you're saying. Go ahead and click Generate. Third, it's time to review your results. You'll get an AO score and a really cool side-by-side comparison that shows you exactly where the AI improved your text. And you've got to use the rich snippet preview to see how it's going to look in the live search results. And finally, and please do not skip this step, you must update the text on your actual FAQ page to match these new optimized answers. Once that's all lined up, you can copy the code, download the file for Google Tag Manager, or click Test with Google to verify it's all working perfectly. This whole process makes sure your schema is not only generated, but fully optimized for AI answer engines. Get your FAQs seen by the people looking for them.